What do you got going on?
I mean, same thing, working from home, doing this. I'm not, nothing like really standing out, but there's always kind of some tension in my neck, at the base of my neck.
Yeah.
Gets a lot, I've been lifting a lot of things, moving, you know, my girlfriend in and everything like that.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
All right, so we'll do a full adjustment.
Yeah, sure.
Have you lay face down here for me?
Absolutely.
All right, how have you guys been?
Good, how have you been?
Pretty
Pretty
good.
good.
You going on any vacations or anything?
You know, I'm trying to get out.
Texas?
Yeah, I went to a couple of graduations.
Yeah. That's good.
Right in there.
Oh yeah. Wow. And I didn't even know I had it. You found it.
These are very common trigger points here.
Oh jeez. Oh man.
Okay. Breathe in. All the way out. There we go. Nice. Okay. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Okay. Relax right there for me.
Yeah, I didn't even know that trigger point.
Nice. Okay. Relax here. Good. Now move tighter.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah. Let's do a side adjustment. So lay on your side facing this way. Right over here. Rest your head there. Okay. So let's just sit out here. Good. Right there. Right there. Rest your head there. Right there. Good. Breathe in. All the way out. Nice. There you go. Good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Right here. Right there and right there. Okay. Breathe in. All the way out. There you go. All right. Lay face up for me. Good. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Good. There you go. All right, brother.
All right, man.
Thanks, Dr. Diaz. You're welcome.